out on another hunt today, and let's see what we can find. I just found this one. Not sure what this is. Strange one. It's round. Looks like a penny, but or it could be just a washer, I don't know. Strange looking thing, isn't it? Oof. Oh, I don't know, maybe. Looks like a penny, doesn't it? Let's get all this crap off it. Oof. Yes, I really don't know. Something stuck to it anyway. Oh, looks interesting anyway. I'll clean it up when I get back and see if we can find out where it is. Right, on to the next. This is my next find. 20p. 20 pence. What I'll do is if I just find modern money, I won't record it. But if I find something a bit more interesting, or what I think is interesting, I'll record it. Like the last find, that seemed to be a good, interesting one. So until the next. Just got this one out. I haven't had a look at it yet, but maybe. I'm hoping it's not a 1p. Oh, don't let it be a 1p, please. Oh, where's it gone? Oh, come on. Where are you? Where are you? It's a strange one. It's not a 1p. Where is it? Thought it looked interesting. Where is it? Look, I know. I think it's a sixpence. I think it's a sixpence. Yes. It's got the... Oh, what date's there on that one? Oh, it could be a silver. It could be a silver. Oh, I just can't... What date's on it? Where's the date on these things? Where's the date on these? Oh, well, anyway. That looked like copper, didn't it? Green. Strange one. Who's that? Is that George V or something? Do you know, I can never tell. Yes. Quite happy with that. Very pleased. Oh, I'll give that a good clean. Ooh, don't lose. Give that a clean when we get back. So we've got this one. Very, yeah, it looks like silver to me, that. Yes. Yeah, so it's turning out to be not too bad a hunt, really. Got that one, and the other thing, I don't know if it's a penny or what, we haven't found out yet. But I'll give them a clean when I get back. Right, catch you later. That's where I just found that sixpence, and I've just found another coin. I haven't had a look at it yet. I'm hoping it's going to be an old coin. That little feather there is just blew into the hole. So here's the coin here. So I haven't had a look at it yet, but let's just have a little look. Well, hoping it's a coin. Let's have a look at it together. Oh no, it might be a button instead. Oh, not a button. What are you? Oh, I think it might be a button. I'm just not sure. What are you? What are you? I can't tell what it is. Everything sort of gets crusted up on this beach. What is it? Can't tell. And it looks like a little coin. Oh, interesting. I just really can't tell. I'll have to wait until I get it back to clean up. It's tiny. It's a little tiny coin. Oh, I hope it's not one of them. It's either a coin, a little tiny coin, or a button. It looks interesting anyway. I hope it's not one of them new half peas. Oh. I'm going to have to wait till we get back, I'm afraid. Something to look forward to anyway, to clean up. Alright. Like I say, I won't get back. I just found 1p and stuff. If I find anything modern, or looks modern, I won't film it. But if it's something that looks a little bit more interesting, I'll film. Okay, so on to the next. Right, I still haven't moved. I'm still in the same spot. That's where I got the sixpence and that other little tiny coin. Just getting loads of signals again, and all them screws were popping out, and then this one's popped out as well. So I haven't had a look at it yet. Let's see what it is. Is it a coin? God, this is an unusual hunt this time. I don't know what I'm finding. This looks like the size of a big old penny. I think you can see a face on there. I think. Where is it? Well, this has been a good hunt this time. Interesting. It looks like the size of a penny. I'm sure I can see a face on that. That's just, I don't know where it is. It's going to be one of them ones. Wait till we get back and clean up. I just can't make out where it is. I think I can see a face on there, not sure. Oh, bit crossed up, but still. Best than finding 1p's and 20p's and stuff like that. It's old stuff, and that's what we're looking for, old stuff. Right, on to the next interesting one, hopefully. Right, still in the same little area. I think I must be in a hot spot of activity because this is my next find. That weighs a ton. That's one huge lock, that is. Oh my word. That's a nice big lock, that. Not seen one like this before. It's huge and it's heavy. Yale. Size of that. Wow. See, this is not like been an ordinary beach hunt. This is really a good hunt for me. There's interesting stuff coming up. What's the size of that? It's huge. Wow, it doesn't halfway something that as well. Oh, pleased with this stuff coming up so far. Right, until the next. Well, that's the end of the hunt. Hunt's finished, and I had quite an interesting hunt. This is all the junk that I found, tons of it. Lots of copper nails and all sorts of rubbish. And these are my goodies I found. And for a beach hunt I thought it was quite good as well. All modern money. 3 1p's, 2 20p's, 50p and 2 5p's and a £1 coin. And these are the ones that I've got to find out yet. That looks like an old penny, but I don't know until I get home. See what I can get off it. This one again looks like a penny, but it's that crusted up. I'll have to sort that out when I get home as well. Be interesting to find out about that. I'm hoping this is a silver sixpence. I'm hoping it is. Looks like George V, though I'm not sure. And it's one with a line on top of a crown. So I'll clean that up when we get back. And that other little, that one, we don't know whether that's a coin or what. That's only very tiny. So that will be interesting to find out what that one is as well. So all in all, it was a good hunt. Oh yeah, and my big lock. Never seen one as big as that before. It's huge, big massive thing. Looks old. I'm not saying it's old, but it looks nice. Pleased with that. Bit of weight in there as well. So that's all my little bits and bobs. And for a beach hunt, usually you only get crap anyway. I thought I got some quite interesting finds there. So everyone, thank you for watching, and if you want to comment, feel free. And until next time, get more stuff. Bye for now.